Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. Today we're going to take a look at my nutsack, and yes, I am not above making double entendres. I'm a child like that, but unfortunately for you, I do not have an OnlyFans, so you're going to have to settle for this one. And this one, I have to say, is pretty darn special. So is the other one, but this one we're going to take a look at. This is something that I purchased a few months ago, and I was not ready for. I was not expecting what I got here. This is one of those items that you could put in the hands of a person with their eyes closed and they could just feel the quality in workmanship and in materials. This is an amazing piece of work, and I don't know what they do to make it that much more special. It's definitely a more premium wax canvas, but I am astonished about how nice this is. And they're not paying me to say this. This is, again, something I purchased, and this is beautiful. So, wax canvas. This is the Double Admin from Nutsack. It is the olive drab color. You can get it in several other different colors. You can get it in tan, black, brush brown, olive drab, and midnight, as well as leather. The leather, I was considering, the leather does not have the MOLLE on both sides here, and it is very bougie, I gotta say. I really wanted that one, but I chose this one for other reasons, and I am very happy I did. Still would like a shot at the leather, but one day. So as you see, we do have the MOLLE on both sides. It did come with these kind of like belt straps or MOLLE attachments, so you can attach it to another bag, and a couple D-rings right here, and that will complement a nice strap for my nutsack, a nice strap on for my nutsack. I gotta double check the website to see if they have one for this. Otherwise, I gotta find something nice to put on my nutsack. But we have YKK zippers and a premium wax canvas. I am again gushing over how nice this is. Made in the United States. So this is measuring out at 9 inches wide, 6 inches tall, and 1.5 inches thick. For those of you across the pond, that's going to be 22.9 centimeters, 15.2 centimeters, and 3.8 centimeters. Very nice, very nice. And we do have that single branding logo right there. Again, everything inside here is going to be made in the United States, and I'm really excited about showing it off to you, so let's do just that. So let's take a look at everything in here, and opening up my nutsack. That sounds kind of wrong, but so we have some elastic loops on both sides. Both sides are completely mirror images of one another. So we have elastic loops on both sides that will hold pens and other gear. 4 stash pockets, and they do fit notebooks and the like on both sides. And the center area right there, which will hold quite a bit. So as you see, we have a Gondak EDC with the American flag on it, a Coleman first aid kit. Now this does say it is made in the United States of US and imported materials, so that is really the only thing I took any liberty on. On this side here we have an SE Cordero. I like to carry a fixed blade as well as a folding knife, and this is going to be the Spyderco Para 2. Over here we have the Leatherman Skeletal, and this is the CX. And for the flashlight we have the Surefire Stiletto. Great flashlight. And on the other side, you gotta have this time of year, Declaration of Independence and the Constitution. Field notes made in the United States. That is awesome. And on the opposite side here, we have the Leatherman bits. And to be honest with you, I don't know if those are actually made in the United States, but you kind of need to complement the, it says it, but it's backwards. Made in Vietnam. Okay, so that fails here, but it is a Leatherman, so it kind of complements the Skeletal. We have a Bic lighter, my chicken poop, that is lip balm, contains no poop. The this is the Skillcraft pen / pencil, and it has red, black, and a pencil in there. You just rotate that part right there. That's a pretty awesome pen. And then last but not least, the Fisher Space Pen, which the Nutsack does not hold this too nicely. It kind of flops around in here. It doesn't have really any place to go. It's more meant for larger pens like this right here. You can get at least ones with pocket clips. I'm not going to spoil that with that pen right there. So that is my Nutsack in a nutshell. So this is coming in on their website for $119 plus shipping and handling. I believe I paid shipping and handling. I can't remember. I am an affiliate of theirs in all transparency, but again, I did pay for this myself with my own money. Maybe with the channel funds here, but it is my money. And I am in love with this Nutsack here. I'm in love with my Nutsack, but the quality and workmanship and craftsmanship, it is 100% a 10 out of 10 piece of gear here. And if you have the chance, if you have the funds, I definitely recommend picking one of these up. It is absolutely beautiful. So I want to thank you for stopping in and checking out my Nutsack. It is very much appreciated. If you want to support my Nutsack, you can hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. And if you see it, hit that hype button. You can hype my Nutsack as well. But whatever you want to do, I greatly appreciate. But I appreciate most of all you looking at my Nutsack, but also you stopping in and checking out this video of my Nutsack. Well, anyways, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next time.
Alarm clock biting through the room, cold floor, I still half tuned. Coffee ring on a brand new plan. One more shot, one more stand. I take the hit, I take the heat, I turn the dragon to a beat. One deep breath, then I rise with a fire in my eyes. Surviving the daily, yeah, I'm still here. Surviving the daily, loud and clear. Beat by beat, I break through. Day by day, I push on through. Surviving the daily, that's what I do. Inbox full and the phone won't sleep. Bills in a pile, but I keep name on the board, foot on the line. I show up hard one day at a time. I take the hit, I take the heat, I turn the dragon to a beat. One deep breath, then I rise with a fire in my eyes. Surviving the daily, yeah, I'm still here. Surviving the daily, loud and clear. Beat by beat, I break through. Day by day, I push on through. Surviving the daily, that's what I